Okay, now we can start the game development. Okay, look at the game screenshot. So here we have to place three images. We need an image for the background, we need an image for the ball, we have to place an image for the platform. So the first image we have to place is the background. On that image we have to place the platform and the ball. So here the background image available in this folder. This is the background image. So I copy this background image and open the project folder and paste that image within the project folder. So here I already told you that the Corona simulator is real time. So here we change something inside the project folder, and that change is reflected in real time on the Corona simulator. So relaunch the simulator, but there is nothing to display on the simulator. Okay, so now we can start the coding. So here I already opened the main.lua file inside Notepad++. So here I am going to write the program segments. So here the writing language is Lua. If you are a beginner in Lua, it is very easy to understand. So now here I am going to load the image to the background. So write a statement local background image. So here local is a keyword that represents a variable, and here background is a variable. And here I am going to make an API call display dot new image rect. This is a simple API call. Here you need to pass three parameters. First one is the file name. Here the background image file name is background. And the file extension is JPG. Now specify the height, width and height of the object. Here I specify the width into 360 unit and height into 570 unit. Okay, so here we make a simple statement that load an image to the background. So this is an API call. Here background img is a variable, and here is the file name, and this one represents the width of the object, and this one represents the height of the object. Okay, so now I save the script. So that change is reflected on the Corona simulator, and click relaunch simulator, and here the image available on the screen. So the image is available on the top left corner. Now this is because by default Corona plays all the images within this point 0, 0. That means 0 x coordinate and 0 y coordinate, and this point is available on the top left corner of the screen. That's why the image appear here. So you can move the image by changing the x and y property of the image object. So here the image object is background img. So by changing the x and y properties of that image of that object, you can move that object to anywhere on the screen. For example, here I am going to change the x coordinate into 250 and y coordinate into 500 and save it and relaunch. So here I move that image to the new position called 250 500. But for our game we need to place the image at the center. That means we have to set the x coordinate to the center point, y coordinate also at the center point. So here I am going to make another API call display dot content center x. So this API call gives the x coordinate of the center point. Now get the y coordinate of the center point. So make another API call content sender y. So now we change the x and y coordinate of the object to the x and y coordinate of the center point of the screen. And now save it and relaunch. So now we successfully set the background image for the game.